Good afternoon, everyone. It's been a while. It's been, I think, 2 weeks or something. Been super busy, had some vacation, chilled a bit, back to work again. But today in the home office, doing a break now. Yeah, let's check the crypto market. So basically, yes, we got our fifth wave up here on the dollar here, which actually, yeah, pulled the whole crypto market down as well. So if you longer in this in my group and you've seen my previous video, um, yeah, well, I had this mentioned out already. It looks like, one, two, three, four. I was looking for a deeper four correction down here. We only slightly got this kind of correction now heading up to the $1 mark here. Um, well, you can say almost this is almost the target got reached. The question is going to be, are we going to go higher from this point? Okay. Um, this whole situation, I don't know if it's caused because of Russian. It is really concerning what's going on um, in the east of the world here from Germany's side. It's quite sad, and my thoughts are with you, and hopefully um, this madness stops soon. Okay. So let's get into this here. So basically, yeah, the dollar is pushing up from here. We almost reached the $1 mark here. So quite strong move here um, from the dollar here at the moment. For the crypto market, it didn't go so well, but at the end, we held sideways move more. If you can, as you can see on the total market cap here, we've done quite a sideways move here. Um, in my opinion, still a chance that we, maybe get our fifth wave. The question is going to be, are we done here with the fourth, or are we going to get a lower um, downfall here, or are we finished at this point here? Okay. Um, my previous drawing are still in here. I said, okay, we could easily also dump from this point here, or we start heading up here and move on here. Okay. We do have a bullish diff here at the moment on the whole crypto market on the daily here. Normally, what happens if I get this here, we see another dump here and then another push up here. So there's a chance that we do get a slightly dump again here and then start moving up here, but it's not sure. Okay, the whole situation is not quite easy to predict what's going on. Um, yeah, I would love to see this here down here. So some of the coins, get cheaper again and then start moving on here. Um, so it is a bit worrying at the moment here. Okay. It is really weak. If the dollar pushes up higher, I think the whole market will dump again here in the red zone here soon. Okay. Um, let's see the 2-day chart. 2-day chart, nothing. We're just still below the 200 MA here. We still have resistance above us here. We did get a 2-day buy signal here. Came all the way down here. Yeah, not quite good here. This signal was good. This signal was okay. If you just bought it, hold it a bit and sell when you get the signal. Um, it, I love this indicator here, and it does do some good signals as well on a 2-day chart here. Um, overall, still, worst case scenario is that we dump here to my C wave, which I've also mentioned long time ago. Since we are below the 200 MA, there's not much, okay, support here, okay, only these kind of levels here at the moment, 32, maybe 28K level here. And worst case is we just straight away dump down here to this zone here, okay? Um, and then we actually tested last all-time high, the 20K mark here down here, and we actually back to I wouldn't say to zero, but you know, the main thing was breaking that 20K zone here, and we had a really hardcore move here up here. So testing this level, yeah, um, I can imagine that we get this. Okay. Um, there's also still a chance that we get another move up here, retest this zone, the Ichimoku cloud, 200 MA here, and then dump from this point. We really need to reclaim these levels here up, I would say at least 47K to get really bullish again here. 1 day chart, yeah, nothing changed. There's still one support area here on the 33K zone here. And then overall down here is still the worst case, the C wave scenario, which I had. Um, this setup still looks bearish, so we still could dump here in this zone. And if we don't hold this, scary. Okay, I would personally say there's a chance that we dump lower here, even here. Okay. Um, trend wave, you can see it's coming down here, it's pulling us down. The 200 MA is above us, pulling us down. Everything is just pointing down at this point here. Okay. Let's see the 6 hour, 6 hour. Yeah, below the 200 MA. Yes, I do have a buy signal here and a trend wave up here, but this is not promising at the moment. Okay, I personally wouldn't get into this kind of setup buying into Bitcoin for this trade, um, since everything else on the bigger time frame looks bearish. Okay, you can clearly see the trend wave coming down as well. The 200 MA is above us. Ichimoku cloud is above us. So everything is just pointing negative here at this point. Okay. Let's see. Ethereum, similar. I like to play the 4 hour on Ethereum here. Yes, I did have a 4 hour buy signal here. That would look promising at this point here. This three buy signals here, but after that here, you just went break even and then you just get out. Okay. So we really need a heavy push here to get up here, in my opinion. If we do get up, we're just gonna get a scammy wick, I think. I don't think so that we might push up here. I see another dump here first and then another push up here. Let's see the 1 day chart. I haven't checked the 1 day chart. Yeah, so 1 day chart, still a chance for the 1,800 here, maybe even lower here, 1,500, 1,200 or 300 area here if we do get a heavy dump here. Um, so if you're long-term holders and you want to buy the dip, this is what I would do. Okay, I would just what I do is I put really silly low buy orders in case we do have a heavy dump here, just to catch it. Okay, just to catch the lowest point, which I'm seeing. This is just my view. This is my opinion. Okay, so these are the levels I would personally watch and put some orders in. Okay, overall, I wouldn't take a long here at the moment. This is just for me is not much confirmation to go for a bigger position here at this point. Okay, not good. Okay, you can see trend wave is coming down here. The 200 MA is above us. Everything is just pointing down here. Even though, there's a chance that we just pump up here, retest this zone here, and then start dumping. Okay, so and then fall lower here. Possible. Okay, just telling you, it's possible. Um, Last and least is Truebit Protocol, which I'm watching. So we had this heavy fall down here, and for now, we just, well, what did we do? We just slightly broke out and didn't get any heavy pump or something. I can pull this up on the 1 day for you guys just to see what's going on. So as you can see, we had a big downtrend. Now finally we're just having a sideways move here. On certain exchange, you can see this. There is hardly volume going on here. This looks really weird in my opinion. Um, so what I did is I bought at 22 cents, so a bit higher, so around about this zone here. If we stick to this level here, end of the month here, I would try to buy some more here now at this level here, since we are doing sideways moves since days, and this looks at the moment quite good for topping up my position. But I'm also ready in case we do have another drop here. Okay, you can see still I have my 40 cent mark here, and as you mentioned in my previous videos and long time ago, I have some buy orders in this position here in case we slip below this. It always depends on which exchange you are. It can be on Uniswap, it can be on Bitmark, it can be on any other exchange. There's a chance that one of them might slip through this. I only use one exchange at the moment, but maybe in the future I will move to another one. But overall, I'm just pulling it out again and putting it on my hardware wallet, so it's offline. Okay. But overall, yeah, it's doing sideways move. Everything else is like really dumpy, humpy, dumpy, and just by going up and down. But Truebit is just looking nice and decent still, and it's just hanging around here at the moment. So I would try, get this in this zone here, trying to catch it. Um, just to top up my positions a bit more, and probably at um, I'm gonna sell a bit again, since if we do like go for 34 cents or something, I might sell a bit on my positions here and try to catch it again lower here. Okay, so I do expect um, maybe a down and then up movement somehow possible, and then down, some retest down here somewhere in this zone, and then I'm gonna sell here at this point and try to fill in this position again here. Okay, so this is my plan, but this will take a while. It's a patient game. It's a long-term holding, and I might even miss it out. Can be. Okay, it can be that I miss out, and I will not be it won't be possible for me to sell it at this point and catch it back here. Okay, since I'm not always 24 hours on the desk and watching the chart, and I only check the charts like once a week or something, and to see um, what has changed. Okay, as you know, I'm mostly looking on the bigger time frames, and I don't take really high leverage trading. I did before, but at the moment I don't have time. So if I do go on a position, I just go for a bigger position. Say, for example, I see a buy signal on the 1 day chart or 4 hour chart, and I like it. I jump in, get into this, and then place my stop loss, and then that's it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you next time.